Cinderella in the cellar, working very late, sleeps at last, her eyes shut fast, curled up by the grate.